Hi everyone. If you're using VirtualBox to create virtual machines and you find that you are running out of space on your virtual disk, then please follow the quick instructions in this video. As an example, I'm going to show you how I can increase my Windows 7 disk size from 64 gigabytes to 80 gigabytes. So first, shut down your virtual machine. Then, on the VirtualBox Manager, select your virtual machine. On the virtual machine specifications, go to the storage section and take note of the virtual disk name. For my case here, it's Win7.VDI. Now click the Tools menu, and then click Media. Show the Hard Disks tab, and you should see the list of all virtual disks you have created with VirtualBox. Now right-click the virtual disk whose capacity is to be expanded or increased. So for my case here is Win7.VDI. Then click Properties to show its Properties dialog. On the Virtual Disk Properties dialog, under Attributes, drag the size slider to the right to increase the disk size, or simply type in the desired size. Then click Apply, and your virtual disk size should now be increased. Now go back to your virtual machine and start it as per normal. On the guest operating system, open Windows Explorer, and you would see that your virtual disk size is still the same as the old one. This is because the expansion space is still raw and needs to be merged with the existing partition first. To merge this raw space, you will need to use either the built-in Windows Disk Management utility or a third-party partition manager. If your guest operating system is Windows 7 or later, you may use the Windows Disk Management tool. But if your guest operating system is Windows XP, you will have to use a third-party partition manager, such as the free Magic Partition Resizer or the premium version of Mini-Tool Partition Wizard. So to open the Windows Disk Management tool, if you're on Windows 10 or 11, right-click the Start menu button and then click Disk Management. If you're on Windows 7, click the Start menu button, then right-click Computer, and then click Manage. On the Computer Management, under Storage, click Disk Management. Now on the Disk Management utility, you should see an unallocated space to the right of the existing system or Windows partition. To merge this unallocated space with the Windows partition, right-click the Windows partition and then click Extend Volume. On the Extend Volume Wizard dialog, click Next twice, and then click Finish. Your virtual disk size should now be the same as the one you set on the virtual machine settings earlier. Alright, so that's how easy it is to increase the virtual disk size on VirtualBox. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.